record button. So welcome to our 31 days in Costa Rica with kids. It is the night before we leave. It is almost 6 o'clock now. We just loaded up the van. Carter, can you stand here and record? You have to hold it really still, just like this, okay? Hold the camera so it can see the suitcases and stuff. Hold the camera, just like...
My mom is going to get suitcases. My dad is going to get suitcases. Dun dun dun. And this iPad. Like and subscribe to your video. We're going to Costa Rica.
We took our showers and we are wearing the clothes that we're going to wear to the airport because we have to wake up at like 2:30 in the morning so we can run out to the van around 3 and get to the airport in time, and of course wait there. So what we're going to do first is we are going to talk about what we're most excited about and what we're maybe a little bit nervous or worried about for Costa Rica. So we don't know what's going to happen yet. This is all being recorded before we go. So we will see if what we kind of thought was going to happen actually ends up happening. All right, so let's start out with what are we most excited about? Carlos.
Oh, again? I'm excited about the food. I'm excited about the spend time over there, being out of work. Show Carter and Sophia where I grew up.
Okay, Carter, what are you most excited about?
I'm most excited about food sack, monkeys.
Okay, Sophia, what are you most excited for?
I'm excited. Oh yeah, seeing Grandma going in the pool. Unicorn, they're so cool, and they can exist. They can have powers.
What am I most excited for?
There's gonna be a lot of editing there.
I like to eat real tomato too.
You want to eat real tomatoes?
Wait, I forgot what I was going to say. Seeing Grandma and Umpa and going in the pool. That's what I'm most excited about too. I forgot.
There's a farm festival thing they do every Saturday. We can buy fresh tomatoes for Sophia.
I think I'm most excited. I don't even know what I said before. I'm most excited for the weather, to see the different places, for the kids to experience like traveling and going to a new place and seeing where they're from, and to be together with my family for 31 days without having to worry about work or anything like that. So that's what I'm excited for. Now let's talk about what are we most worried about. What are you most worried about, Carlos?
I'm scared about snakes. You scared me about the traffic now when you mention it. Yeah, never thought about that. Well, I think that way. Can't look at the camera and think, because I'm looking at myself. I've seen snakes driving. Oh, coronavirus, but if we keep our distance and wash our hands and use our mask, we'll be okay. What else? That's it.
No, wait. Also frogs.
Well, you have to. Oh, well, but there's no frogs in Heredia or walking on the road. So.
There's frogs everywhere.
We're gonna go on a frog tour though in La Fortuna. Okay, Carter, what are you most worried about?
Jaguars and crocodiles and snakes. No, jaguars and crocodiles. Love that.
That's it.
Okay. What about you, Sophia? What are you most worried about?
Flamingos.
Flamingos?
Yeah.
Flamingos? I don't think there's flamingos in Costa Rica. Ooh, that's a good thing.
And unicorns too.
You're excited to see unicorns, but you're afraid of the unicorns?
Crocodile.
Crocodiles. Okay, my turn. My list is probably long enough for 20 people. Well, first of all, I'm wondering how we're gonna get everything on the plane. Is the wedding dress going to get there okay? Like lugging all that around, making sure there's enough room in the car. Yeah, the not so friendly animals, snakes and bugs and stuff like that. Oh, all the mosquito bites. Oh my goodness, I swell up so bad from the mosquito bites. Let's see, sunburn, coronavirus, the showers. I probably had my last hot shower for a while. What else? What else was I afraid of? Oh, the traffic. I'm worried about that. Like all the curves and stuff, getting sick. I mean, just the traffic because of how everyone drives there, and then the curves and stuff and getting sick like that. Just getting sick in general while we're there because, I mean, I know Costa Rica has good health care and everything, but getting sick on vacation and the kids getting exposed to just new viruses and stuff, I'm worried about that. I don't know. Yeah, so, but as long as we're all safe and healthy and have fun, that's all that matters. So we might have a few bumps along the road, and we will share that with you. So stay tuned. Keep watching. We will see you all at 3 o'clock in the morning when we get up to get ready to go to the airport.
Bye.
It's 9 o'clock at night. Everyone else is sleeping, but I know there's some ice cream in the freezer that I don't want to go to waste. So I'm going to get it out and eat my ice cream while everyone's sleeping. I'm used to getting up early, and I took a long nap today, so it shouldn't be a big deal.